Making a good YouTube thumbnail usually eats up hours of your time, or you just end up paying a designer, which ends up eating up your budget, and you have to pay for every single video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use AI to generate thumbnails in about 60 seconds, and they don't look like AI at all. So first, I'll generate a batch of thumbnails from my own channel from just a title. Then I'll pull the style of a huge viral channel and swap my own face in to build original concepts. And at the end, I'll draw a terrible sketch and have AI turn it into something clickable. So the tool I'm going to use to make it all happen is called 1 of 10. I'm going to link it for you down below. You can grab the link and get started for free if you want to. And the specific feature I'm going to use is called thumbnail generator. And I should probably quickly mention that 1 of 10 is a general all-in-one YouTube growth tool. So whether you want to look for outliers or viral video ideas or find similar thumbnails as well, it's all here for you. But specifically today, we're going to be looking at the thumbnail generator feature. So the first use case I'm going to show you is when you just simply type in a prompt and you get a thumbnail in return. So basically the way this works, first of all, here in the top left, you should go ahead and link your channel right here. So obviously I did link my own channel. So if it especially works very well if you already have an existing channel and there's a bunch of data that you could use. So go here and type in your user handle. So in my case, it's AI guy, just like so. And now I'm going to paste this title that I want to test, which is how I make 10K a month with AI, full breakdown. And the reason I'm going for such a basic title is I just want to show you what this tool is capable of. Now here you can click on this number and you can choose the number of variations. Obviously, the more you choose, the more credits you're going to burn through. So keep that in mind. But I'm going to go with 12 just to have more variations. Now here you can also click on no text, but for me it doesn't make sense because it's probably going to do like a 10K a month graphic thingy, so I'm going to keep the text on. Here you can click on and have a sketch, but later in the video I'm going to be showing you how it works, so I'm going to skip it for now. And you can also click here on plus icon and add a bunch of elements, but also in the later use cases I'm going to be showing you separately how it works. So for now, let's just keep it simple, and I'm going to go with the simple prompt and show you what it generates. It's probably going to take about 60 to 90 seconds. So I'm going to be right back when it's done. So here are the results that we got. Now, some of them are great. Some of them are not perfect. So that is why it's important to have at least a few generations going when you test concepts, just so that you have more concepts to work with. So these two right here stand out to me. So this one right here with like this arrow and where it says 10K a month. So you can actually click on download and downloads either in 1K, 2K or 4K. And this one is pretty good as well. Now I can quickly show you how you can edit those as well. So you can actually click right here on open editor. And as you can see, there is a bunch of features available to us right here. And let's say, for example, I want to remove this fully AI powered line text line because it already says above my AI method. So it's kind of, makes it overwhelming. Arguably, let's just say I want to show you how it's done, right? So here we can simply brush this up and then click on erase right here. And then it's going to do the thing. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and change this text right here that says my AI method to something like passive income per se, right? So we can go ahead and highlight this and then type up this prompt. So you want to be as precise as possible. So I'm going to be like, change my AI method to passive income and then click on generate and it should do the job. All right. And so here you can see it now, it says passive income. And so I hope you now understand how this works. It's still basic level. So here in editor, you can do pretty much anything you could do in Photoshop, but with the help of AI, which makes it all much, much easier. But now I want to go back out and show you some other ways to create thumbnails with this tool. So I'm sure most of you guys know this channel, Ryan Trahan. In my opinion, it's a really good channel when it comes to like mainstream entertainment videos. And he's doing a really good job with packaging his videos, always just viral thumbnails and viral titles. Everything is viral about his videos. Clearly, you can see by his views. And so let's say you want to create a channel like this yourself, but with your face, and you want to kind of copy his thumbnail style whilst keeping things original. So here's how you could do this. So let's go back to 1 of 10, and then we go to his channel and we need to copy his user handle. So we just copy Ryan, and then we go back in here, and then we paste this user handle. And as you can see, his channel is now going to be shown in the top left. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to face swap my face into the style of his thumbnails. So the way you do that is you click here on plus icon, and then you need to click on your face. So you obviously need pictures of your face. So I pulled up a few pictures of myself that I had taken against the white wall. So I'm now gonna save the face. And so now I came up with a title concept that is very much in the style of Ryan's channel, which goes like this. I traveled to the cheapest country on earth. This sounds like something he would do. And now I'm going to generate, let's say 12 thumbnails again, just so we have some variations. And so let's see what we get. All right, and so here we can see the thumbnails that I generated. They're all obviously with my face. They've been swapped, but in the style of his channel. And again, here it's up to you to make further edits. It obviously depends on the video's concept. So when I said cheapest, AI kind of assumed it's going to be India looks like. But if you're traveling, I don't know, not in India, you obviously have to go into the AI and then switch it up in Magical Editor. Or you could also remove the text or do anything that I've already shown you you could do. For example, here I'm going to go into the magic eraser and I'm going to remove the following elements. So first of all, I'm going to remove cheapest because I just think it doesn't suit the picture quite well. I'm also going to remove this little money sign because I also just don't like it. And then this right here, I'm also going to be removing. And so let's see what we get once it's updated. And so now here you can see the thumbnail looks much cleaner and then you can further edit, but you just want to make sure to remove the overwhelming elements if they're here. Now I do want to make another thumbnail, but maybe this time at the style of Mr. Beast. So let's go back here, type in Mr. Beast and then have him selected. And then let's just see, or actually, first of all, again, make sure my face is going to be selected as reference, save the face, and then be like, I ate the world's largest candy because that's something Mr. Beast would do. And then click on generate. And once again, let's see what we're going to get. All right. And so here are the results. So as you can see, this tool is really transformative and it can work on both the educational style, like I've shown you, and now in the style of Mr. Beast as well. And, it's got both a bunch of concepts with text and without text, like this one on the right. So I really like the results. What else can I say? Especially this one right here. And if I was making a video in this topic, I would go with this thumbnail right here. But lastly, let's move on to the last feature I wanted to show you that this tool can do. So the next feature I want to show you is how you can just simply draw a sketch and then turn that sketch into an actual thumbnail. And so for that, as the concept, we're going to use this channel that is called Fern. In case you don't know, it's like this channel that makes documentaries about different viral, typically money, crime related topics kind of thing. And so we can go back in here and then we can paste this channel as reference. So to make this make sense, let's first just look at his thumbnails. Maybe we can notice patterns in the first place. So what I can see is quite often he uses text in his thumbnails. So it's typically like a one-word text at the top or kind of on the right. And then the main object or two main objects, just depends. So let's kind of follow this logic in our own ideation. So let's go into Sketch. And I'm going to write out, first of all, a word that is just going to be gone. And then I'm going to draw like I guess a character. So I guess this looks like a character, right? And then that works. And then let's just do a red question mark. That should maybe get the job done. It looks ridiculous, I know. And then let's just give it a title, something like The Man Who Vanished Without a Trace. And then once again, let's get 12 variations going. And let's see what we're going to get out of this ridiculous drawing. So as you can see, here are the results. Again, mind you, this is all I gave to AI was just this simple, ridiculous drawing. And in return, we got these concepts. Now, this to me right here looks a bit too AI-ish, like this one right here on the left. But this right here on the right is actually really, really good. Like in the style of his channel specifically, really mysterious, high quality looking with like this red circle, and the actual man in the picture is blurred as well. So it's like it's really cool, as if it was edited by a professional, being honest with you. And if I keep on scrolling, this is also a pretty good one on the left. So you can obviously play with these concepts even more to actually get a professional thumbnail done just like this in a matter of moments from just a simple sketch, which is quite ridiculous. So that's pretty much all I had for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you liked it. And again, if you want to use the tool, it's going to be linked down below. It's called 1 of 10. Great tool. And you just saw what it's capable of when it comes to thumbnails. And again, remember, you can also check it out when it comes to finding outliers, video ideas, and many other things when it comes to growing on YouTube. So check it out down below, and I'll see you in the next video.